आम्ही काहीशा गोष्टी सीईओच्या नजरे मुखार हाडल्या. देर आर सर्टन कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीज लायक पोरवरी, थिवी, नावेली वेर 15 तारखेचो विच वॉज अर्लियर द लास्ट डेट वो फॉर्म 10 थंय अपलोड जाल्ले आसा. इन दॅट फॉर्म 10 जर आमी पळयत जाल्यार SIRचो रूल कितें म्हणटा की प्रत्येक मनशाक अ रजिस्टर्ड BLA2 कॅन फायल ओनली 10 फॉर्म्स पर डे, आयदर ऑफ करेक्शन, आयदर ऑफ एडिशन ऑर डिलिशन. आता 15 तारखेक ह्या मतदारसंघांनी BJPचे रजिस्टर्ड BLA2 मोर दॅन 10 फॉर्मां सबमीट केल्ली आहा. कोणे 54 केल्या, कोणे 78 केल्या, कोणे 44 केल्या. सो फर्स्ट थिंग इज वी वॉन्ट टू आस्क द इलेक्शन कमिशन ऑफ इंडिया की त्या BLOन 10 पेक्षा चड फॉर्मां कशी एक्सेप्ट केली. सेकंड, जो रिस्पेक्टीव ERO आसा ताणें ही फॉर्मां घेवन मुखार वयर सिस्टमा कडेन कशी धाडली. एंड थर्ड इज when CEO says ki this is centrally monitored through ECI, report is generated automatically. So I want to ask की सिस्टमान 10 पेक्षा चड फॉर्मां कशी एक्सेप्ट केली. जर तर आमी पळयत जाल्यार मॅक्झिममचे डिलिशनाक घातला पळय दीज आर क्रिश्चन एंड मुस्लीम सिटीजन्स. वाय?
Actually, claims and objections have to be filed in Form 7. But we have seen wherein political parties are giving lists like this. Consolidated list. Numbering, and each BLA is giving 50, 60, even up to 78 forms are being given like this. Actually, the prescribed limit is 10 per day. But somehow the entire list is getting uploaded. So this is what we pointed out. And they said that they will keep the tab on 10. But how they are going to now justify that, we don't know. Secondly, we have even shown like how BLAs of certain political parties are filing claims and objections in bulk, and that also for residents who are actually present in their houses. We have even visited the houses of certain people who are there, but purposely they are shown as permanently shifted. And the modus operandi of this exercise by the BJP, I can there is no harm in even mentioning their name. The modus operandi of this exercise is to make people come to for hearings. In TV constituency, one BLO by name Uday Warang, he submitted more than 300-400 forms, and not only from one booth, because each BLA has the right to submit forms, Form 7 only in his particular booth where he is appointed as a BLA. But he has filed this thing nearly 10 to 12 polling stations.